If you have clicked on this video, I know you are genuinely interested about ICMR STS and biomedical research. But like many other MBBS students, you will be probably lacking proper guidance, mentorship, and a proper roadmap on how to approach and excel in research during your MBBS. So don't worry, I'll be making a complete series breaking down everything step by step on how to approach ICMR STS, on how to get started, and how to find opportunities and build a strong research profile during your MBBS. So make sure you watch this video till the very end. So hi everyone, my name is Ayush Joshi and I'm a final year MBBS student at Government Institute of Medical Sciences, Greater Noida. When I joined MBBS in my first year, I was very passionate about research and lab work, and fortunately, our college had a really good research culture. Our faculty actively promoted research projects, my seniors were also working in meaningful studies, and most importantly, being in NCR, we had a good exposure to premier institutes like AIMS, IIT, MAMC, and NIB. But this is not the reality for most of the MBBS students in India right now. Either they lack proper guidance, exposure, or network. And due to lack of a structured direction, many capable MBBS students never even start their research journey. So don't worry, I'll be there providing a structured direction. So make sure you follow my channel and comment your queries in the comment section. Now some of you must be thinking why you should even trust me or listen to me. So here's a brief background about me. I am an Indian Council of Medical Research STS scholar. My proposal was accepted in 2024. I have completed my structured hands-on training on cell cultures and biological assays from National Institute of Biologicals. I have authored 4 research papers and I have won multiple med hackathons, including AIMS New Delhi's G20 Med Hackathon in 2023. But this was the only good part of my research journey. I have also faced setbacks, I have also faced rejections. My ICMR STS proposal in 2023 was rejected from my own institute. So this video will not be about perfection or textbook theory. In this video, I'll be sharing my own real world experiences and my mistakes which I did during my research journey. As most of the MBBS students start their research journey with ICMR STS, we'll be first making videos on ICMR STS. We'll be covering how to make their proposal, how to find a research topic, how to approach mentors, and how to make a proposal which eventually gets selected by ICMR. On the later part of the series, we'll be making videos about other opportunities like workshops, research projects, internships in IISc, NIB, and CCMB, etc. and etc. So if you are really serious about research and want to build a research profile during your MBBS, make sure you subscribe to my channel and follow for the further videos. And if you have a specific question about research or you want me to make a video on a specific topic, please do let me know in the comment section.